Now we're using these wings, which actually, this part of it is a wing, and then we've got a niblet here, so nice large jumbo wing there, which has been prepared for us by the butcher, and then we've just made some incisions in there, preparing them for the marinade. We are going to go for two different flavors. One's going to be a garlic and herb flavor, which is by OXO, and the other flavor that we are going to have is this one here, the Moroccan harissa flavor, which I picked up from Tesco. We are going to add some of our own spices and flavors in there, so keep on watching. So for our first batch of wings, we are going to be using the OXO garlic and herb marinade sauce, which is suitable for vegetarians, and in there we will also be adding some fenugreek leaves, some dried chili flakes. We're going to be using some lemon juice. We'll also be putting some cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, curry powder in there, and a dash of oil. So that's going to be all the spices going into this batch of wings. We'll also be adding a dash of oil in there. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil, just so that the spices mix and infuse with the chicken well. Now for the second batch, so this lot will be marinated with the Moroccan harissa marinade. We will also be putting some very hot green chili sauce in there by East End. We'll also be putting this in the original hot pepper sauce, extremely hot again. So if you're a fan of hot and spicy, then I would recommend this definitely. If not, then exclude this from your marinade. And again, we'll be adding some dry chili flakes into the marinade. We've got some lemon in there as well. That'll be also going into the marinade. Starting up the barbecue, I'm using these chimneys, which are absolutely brilliant for barbecues. If you want to see how to get the coal going in these chimneys and how to use them, watch my video on how to set up a barbecue. But what I'm using here is I'm using some briquettes. You've got generally two choices with barbecue charcoal. You've got the briquettes, which are like this. They are square or circular in size, and the other option is lump wood. Now the difference is that this one burns evenly and burns for longer. The lump wood burns a lot quicker. In terms of flavor, I prefer the lump wood flavor because it gives the barbecue a lot more of a smokier taste. However, this one, because it burns evenly and burns for longer, I prefer this one when it comes to doing lots of cooking, especially for the family. It's a lot easier, so I've gone for this one. So I've just lit it up. You can see the chimneys are smoking, and I'll be setting the barbecue, putting the barbecue, the chicken and everything on very soon.